Good evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health in watch out your diet and have exercise. Happy Tuesday. The day is already done. Have a good night's sleep, everyone. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Bye. Bye. I went to the grocery. I buy what I need to cook tomorrow. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. I lost my bowl. The bowl that I am using for exercise my hand, so that the blood for blood circulation. That's why I have the apple squeezy apple bowl. I don't know where it is now. Sometimes it is getting it. I don't know where it is. That's my exercise bowl for my hand.